In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render an MP4 using the right node. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a right node, connect it properly, pick the right format and settings, and produce a clean .mp4 file that matches your timeline. First, add a right node, press tab to bring up the node search, type right, and hit enter. This quickly adds the output node to your workspace. If your cursor was near the area you wanted, it should appear close by. If not, just drag it to where you need it. Next, connect it to the end of your node tree. The right node should receive the final image stream, so plug its input into the last node in your chain. A good way to think about it is whatever you see as your final look is what should feed the right node. Now set the file path. In the right node's properties, choose a folder you can find easily and type a file name that ends with .mp4. Clear naming helps when you're versioning, so consider including the project name and version number. Make sure the destination has enough free space and that you have permission to write to it. Choose the format next. In the file type drop-down, select FFmpeg or H.264 MP4, depending on how your application labels it. If you see FFmpeg with a codec option, that's typically where H.264 lives. Selecting the correct container and codec ensures broad compatibility with players and sharing platforms. Then pick your codec settings, adjust compression, bitrate, or quality according to your needs. Higher bit rates generally yield better quality but larger files, while lower bit rates shrink file size at the cost of detail. For quick reviews, a moderate bitrate is fine. For final delivery, lean toward higher quality. If there's a quality slider or preset, choose one that matches your target use, like web preview versus master. Set the frame range to match your timeline or desired output. Double-check the start and end frames, and confirm the frame rate matches your project settings to avoid unexpected speed changes. This small check prevents clipped beginnings or cut-off endings. When you're ready, go to the top menu, choose Render, and then Render All. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+R on Windows or CMD+R on Mac OS. Keep an eye on the progress indicator and avoid interrupting the process. Finally, check your output. Your .mp4 file will be saved in the